In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install TradingView on your PC. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having the TradingView desktop application on your computer can greatly enhance your trading experience. It provides a suite of tools and features that are indispensable for monitoring markets and carrying out trades efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you set up. First, open up your internet browser on your PC and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Download TradingView on PC. By initiating this search, you will find links directing you to the official TradingView website, where you can safely download the application without worrying about the integrity of third-party sites. It's always a good practice to download software from official sources to ensure you're getting the safe and legitimate version. Once you've entered your search, look through the results for the TradingView desktop application link. This will take you to the dedicated page for downloading the desktop app. Click on this link to proceed to the TradingView site. On the site, you will have the option to choose the download for your specific operating system. TradingView supports multiple platforms, but since we're focusing on PCs, you'll want to select the download option for Windows. Now, click on the Download for Windows button. This should initiate the download process for the installation file. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a short while or a few minutes. Meanwhile, ensure that your PC has enough storage space available for the installation and that there are no disruptions to your internet connection, which could potentially interrupt the download process. When the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the TradingView setup file. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Typically, this involves agreeing to the terms and conditions, choosing an installation location, and deciding whether or not to create desktop shortcuts for easy access. Once the installation is finished, you can launch TradingView from your desktop or start menu. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to log into your TradingView account or create a new one if you haven't already. This account will allow you to access your saved charts and settings, keeping everything in sync across devices. And there you have it. TradingView is now installed on your PC, ready to aid you in making informed trading decisions. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, you can delve deeper into market analysis, set alerts, and enhance your overall trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.